Yo, what up? Duane the Wrench. We're getting into what's that, Papa? We are gonna go bye-bye, but I'm gonna make a little quick video for YouTube.
Okay.
So CL AMG, it came with a shitty I mean, this is just
So cool in there, Daddy.
you see how there's I was just trimming
so
it out.
Cool in there.
Hold on, Papa. I was just trimming it out a couple different ways to see if it would even work or even look. Listen, I'm not a fucking scientist, right? You know, I'll try to figure it out. A couple things I know it did. Hold on, Papa. I'm sorry. I apologize for saying that.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Don't say that.
Okay. I'm sorry. Get monetized and shit. Anyways, so I put this thing in touchscreen. Obviously, it will look good. I think I'm just gonna have to fucking bite the bullet, take it apart. It still doesn't work. The harnesses, I have to take this whole thing apart. That's why the carpet's pulled out. They have these two screws up on top that hold this in, so it's just dry fit, so I can take it around. I got a couple different types of these things, of this little push trim. I was gonna 45 off the edges, but it doesn't stop because this thing concaves out and it just doesn't, you know, look at that fucking gap, man. Look at this fucking gap. Same thing with up here. Back it up. Up here's not as bad, but down here is you obviously. So am I gonna be pushing? Kind of want it out, so I might have to take everything out, do a little fiberglass trim and have it shoot in from itself. Not a terrible car. Let me see if I have the keys. I don't have the keys by me. Yes, Papa.
What's that?
What?
What's that?
I'm just checking stuff out, man. You're gonna get into your Spider-Man chair because we've got to make creme brulee today. So
What's that way over there?
it looks like shit.
It's not shit.
Yes, it is shit. It looks like shit. I'm gonna drag this thing out,
Don't
make it a
say
little
that,
bit.
Dad.
Listen, we're gonna say it because that's how I feel inside. I know, Papa. I feel that way. So we're gonna knock this thing back and redo it properly. We might even have to hydro dip some wood. I don't know what kind of wood this even is, but I might have to hydro dip it after I set my screen. And is it even worth it? Who knows? All I know is it pissed me off.
Where's my airplane?
It's inside the house.
Why?
All I know is I got into it hard, so I threw the radio out, and I think they wanted my Jesus Christ, they wanted to see what that radio looked like, the back end of it. So, all right, so I got it. Cheers. It's the ongoing process of making things your own. Cheers.